Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is Teddy, we're over at the allotment. We're going to talk about garlic scapes today. If you notice, Teddy is a little bit damp, went on a walk and he rolled in fox poo, didn't you? So he's had to have a bath. But there you go, that's what dogs do, isn't it? So as you can see, this garlic is getting scapes. Garlic scapes usually appear on hardneck and elephant garlic varieties. These are hardneck, these are elephant. This one is also elephant garlic. Now, garlic scapes appear when the garlic's wanting to go to flower. There was research done by a university in America, the name I can't remember, that said that if you take your scapes away, 15 to 20% larger garlic bulb you'll get of yield of garlic, because what's happening is some of the energy that's been put into, should be going into growing a strong garlic bulb, is growing into growing the scape. So we are going to take these scapes off now, and I'm going to show you how. Now you can use a knife, but I am just going to use pruners, and all we're going to do is we're going to take our scape off down here with the pruners. They smell delicious. So basically the garlic scapes, very mild garlicky taste. You can chop them up, put them in a stir fry. I actually put some last week in a chicken and leek pie. Chicken and leek pie also chopped up, a small amount of garlic scape. Fry that in the chicken and leek pie. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to do a chicken dish of some form tonight with these scapes to take to work with me because I'm at work tomorrow. I usually meal prep. So that is my job for tonight. Okay, so let me show you how this garlic's getting on. Now some of these garlic are elephant garlic, these two, and some of these garlic are hardneck varieties, and these ones are a soft neck variety of garlic. As you can see, if I can focus in, we're getting good garlic bulb development. Now this garlic was planted in October, in the fall. I guarantee you, below the surface there will be nice big bulbs of elephant garlic forming. Same goes with this. So later on in the season, I'm going to be harvesting that garlic, doing a video on how to harvest garlic and how to cure it for long-term storage. So if you want to see that, hit subscribe. If you want to see the video where I planted this garlic in October, I'll put it up here. Short one today, but thanks for watching. Have a good day.